Hi guys, it's Yappy and we are back to YouTube. I honestly don't know kung bakit ako tumigil sa YouTube. And I was checking or I was watching my vlogs the other night and I've been really wanting to get back to YouTube. Like, sobrang tagal ko nang gusto bumalik sa YouTube. I just really can't commit to it kasi nape-pressure ako like na baka hindi ako maka-keep up. Like, iniisip ko na kailangan ko bang mag-post every week or kailangan ko bang bonggahan yung pag-i-edit ko ng mga videos in order for people to watch it. But then, I realized the reason why I wanna go back to YouTube is to actually just document life and go back to it when you feel like it. Like, nang ginagawa ko nga nung isang gabi, watching my old vlogs. So, yeah. I'm just gonna be doing it on my own way. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. But for this video, it's just gonna be really an update of what happened between those months that I wasn't vlogging. Update ko kayo. And anong pinagkakaabalahan ko currently. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's start the kwentuhan. Nag-check ako, the last vlog that I was able to upload here on YouTube was my birthday weekend from 2024. So yeah, gano'n na ako katagal hindi nagva-vlog. Parang 1 year and then December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 1 year and 7 months. So almost going to 2 years na akong hindi nagva-vlog sa YouTube. But I've been posting mini vlogs sa TikTok and medyo miss dun ako active kasi madali lang siya, madali lang sa TikTok, madaling mag-edit, madaling mag-upload and all. Pero dito kasi sa YouTube, parang ang dami mong kailangan gawin before uploading the video or the vlog. But again, I'm not gonna pressure myself. I'll just go with the flow and just really start documenting life. But anyway, major updates. So, noong 2024 of November, I was still celebrating my birthday sa Las Piñas. We were staying there kasi nga ginagawa pa yung bahay dito sa Pasay. And we were supposed to move in February or March of 2025, but somehow there was a delay. I don't know what happened with the contractors, but it was delayed for 8 months. So we were able to move in here October of 2025. So technically, parang bagong lipat lang din kami dito since it was just last year. So parang November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So 8 months pa lang kami na nandito sa Pasay. But so far, medyo madami ding naging problema, but we were able to fix it and still fixing it. Hindi pa siya 100% stable, but ginagawa naman namin ng paraan. Anyway, after that, sobrang naging busy talaga ako, but I am still reading books and I've been updating on TikTok about my books that I was reading or I was able to read. And ano pa ba? Si Nala, she is 3 years old. Imagine, 3 years old na siya. Toddler na talaga siya. And it's just amazing how she is now able to communicate with me like full straight sentences. So, sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na gano'n na siya kalaki, na sana hindi na siya lumaki pa. But anyway, I'm just cherish ko lang naman yung mga moments with her. And she's gonna start going to school this coming July. So, di ba? From my last vlog na nag-i-enjoy lang ako ng birthday, ngayon, sinala, going to school na may pinapaaral na kami. So, grabe, ang bilis. Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. And also, I resigned. So, I think yun yung mga isa sa dahilan kung bakit medyo bawas yung stress ko. Hindi medyo, malaki yung binawas na stress sa buhay ko. I was just really not happy with the work anymore. I've been with the BPO industry for like since 2013. And imagine that's 1 decade and almost a half of the decade. So, I just resigned this January of 2026. And again, I think that's the best thing that happened to me. Talagang sobrang laki nung ginhawa after I resigned. It was immediate. I just really wanna get out of it. But yeah, and what I'm currently doing right now is I'm just helping managing the apartments here sa Pasay. And of course, taking care of Nala. Though we do have a yaya, pero syempre, mas maganda pa rin hands-on ka rin sa baby mo, di ba? And another update siguro is the year of 2025, we actually really started playing billiards. Ginawa naming hobby yun ni Ja. So, nag-start ata around January of 2025 nung naano kami na ewan ko kung hindi ko rin actually alam kung paano kami nahilig sa billiard eh. Hanggang sa umabot na kami na bumili na kami ng sarili naming tako and then araw-araw kami nasa The Good Place in BFRV sa Las Piñas. And then, naglalaro kami 5 hours, 4 hours, minsan more than that. Di ko din alam kung paano nasimula yung hilig namin sa billiards. But right now, medyo naglaylo ako doon. Si Ja, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung paglalaro niya. Pero minsan, may times talagang busy kami. So, madalang na kaming nakakapaglaro lately. Yeah, that's one of my new hobbies, billiards. And another major update would be I am now currently in my running era. I've been running consistently for 3 times a week for 5 weeks now. So, nagsimula lahat to nung inaya kami ng friend namin to go for the fun run last May 3, which is the Pink Run. It's for breast cancer awareness. And then after that, nagtuloy-tuloy na. So, medyo magastos din siya kasi ang mahal ng sapatos. You need the right shoes for running, and then I needed to buy some new clothes for running then kasi I don't really have much. But yeah, it's been really good actually. Sobrang ganda kasi mas madami na akong energy right now and hindi na ako mabilis mapagod. Kasi before I started running, hindi na rin ako ganun ka-active kasi dati I do yoga or random mini workouts here at home pero hindi siya ganun ka-consistent. And from time to time, walking. Pero ngayon, sobrang consistent ko. Like, I'm running 3 times a week and then in between, I do strength workouts. Minsan yoga, minsan walking. So, hindi ako to eh. But I'm loving it. I'm actually really loving it. Kasi before being this consistent, talagang parang feeling ko araw-araw ng gising. Every time nagigising ako, para akong laging over fatigue. Especially when I was still at work. Pero simula nung naging active na for this past 5 weeks, sobrang mas maganda yung energy ko and mas maganda yung pakiramdam. And feeling strong. Hindi pa ganun, malayo na, pero malayo pa. So, ang ginagoal lang namin right now is to just be consistent with running and then sinabi ko dun sa isa kong friend na let's try doing a half marathon by next year. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm definitely gonna be documenting my running era or my running journey and share it here on YouTube. And then I quit vaping. Yes, nag-quit na ako ng vape. And it's been 4 weeks when I start quitting vape. Or I quit vaping. And may mga times na may mga urge. May mga times kasi na parang feeling ko hinahanap kong humipak, pero napipigilan ko siya. So it's a good thing. Malaki din yung improvement when it comes to my breathing and my heart rate after I quit vaping. So, definitely in my healthy era. Though yung kailangan ko ma-discipline right now is my food intake. Ang hilig ko pa rin sa junk foods or fast foods. But let's just do it one step at a time. I do have a weight goal that I want to achieve. Pero next time ko na yun i-share sa inyo since, again, this is gonna be a major update or recap of what happened with the years na hindi ako nagba-vlog or the months na I wasn't vlogging. And then, ayun, well, technically, yun na yun, actually. Yung right now, pinagkakaabalahan ko is running and joining fun runs and so on. And just enjoying life. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my best to document all the things that I should be documenting so that I can go back to it whenever I want to. So yeah, that's gonna be my main goal or my mantra for doing vlogs again here on YouTube, is to be able to look back at it. So I think that's just gonna be it for now. This is almost 10 minutes now or 11 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.